Today, I would like to share the Sketchboard Pro for iPad artist unboxing. I've been waiting forever for this thing and I finally got it. Brain Treehouse are the creators and they are freaking amazing. You know, it's like a party in your brain. Well, there's a party in my brain. I am so excited to use this thing. It's supposed to be amazing for when you draw for hours on end. It doesn't hurt your body, doesn't hurt your arm, and you're able to rest it. You will see soon. So as you open it, a little styrofoam film. Okay, a little Sketchboard Pro little manual. Imagine this cannot be that complicated. Let's check it out. It talks about the legs, how you can flip them open in the back, how to insert the iPad. This is interesting. How not to carry it. Okay, little bear. Apparently don't go skateboarding with it. And okay, that's the proper way to carry it. Okay, that's cute. I like how they used the little bear to talk about it. Stickers are always great. Let's see what we got. Some sticker action. I love stickers. That's cute. Some cute little sticker. The same bear again, doing what we're not supposed to do with it. It's funny. Holding a Sketchboard Pro. That's hilarious. A little piggy going in, but like apparently real paint there, not digital. And a little cloud drawing on the iPad as well. It's doggy. That's cute. Got some little styrofoam corners for protection, which is awesome. Pull those off. It's got some weight to it, which is good. So that means it's not fragile. Got some cute little artwork inside the box too. There's a little nice attention to detail there. Yes, it's very sturdy, as you can see. It's got like a latex rubber silicone surrounding. You put your iPad in there. That's a magnetic sheet, I suppose. It helps the iPad stay securely in place. And here is the bow, portrait style. So again, any direction you want to paint, draw, sketch in, this thing is amazing. You basically have somewhere to rest your arm when you're drawing for hours on end, because drawing digitally takes a long time. Well, drawing traditionally too, but digitally it does as well. And before, just on the iPad itself, it was it could be difficult, and it could make your like neck hurt, your back hurt, your arm, your elbow, your wrist. It all depends how you're sitting. And since I'm gonna be sitting for long periods of time drawing on this iPad with Procreate, it was a no-brainer, man. I went for it. I also picked up the travel bag where you can fit the Sketchboard Pro in and whatever other accessories you need on the go, because you know you may want to draw everywhere you go like I do. So yeah, here's the Sketchboard Pro, slips right in, no problem, perfect fit. As you can see, very easy to manage and handle. My iPad with the cover. Pencil case, notepad, sketchbook, wallet, AirPods, small little compartment there, but you see everything fits nice. Throw over the flap. Flip it around. There's the handle. Is that a handle? You know, the strap that you put over your shoulder. There you have it, man. It's really nice. Canvas. Durable. Seems durable. I mean, I guess I could do a follow-up video like a year from now or a few months from now that I've been using it, see how it holds up. But right now, I'm excited about it. Super excited. Now, let me show you some placement where I actually use it. And before I let you guys go, let me show you really quick how cool Procreate can be. So you can have a taste of things to come on this channel. I basically recreated my favorite vehicle's logo, the Jeep Wrangler. And Procreate does this thing in which it creates a video of your creative process. So check it out. Awesome. And that's it for this week. See you next time. Peace.